Marathon Digital cautiously optimistic about meeting early 2023 hash rate guidance as delays continue. The firm mined 299 Bitcoins in April, a near 31% dip from the previous month, citing weather and maintenance issues. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes, put on more fans. Welcome to Texas, baby. Marathon Digital, one of the largest publicly traded Bitcoin miners, said on Wednesday that it is cautiously optimistic that it will achieve its early 2023 hash rate guidance of 23.3 exahash per second as delays in the deployment of miners continue. About 4,200 Marathon miners were successfully installed in containers at one of the Compute North's new facilities in Texas, the company said in a statement. However, these mining rigs are now expected to come online in May as opposed to its original schedule of April 17th, as the company's energy provider required additional consent from a third party. Remember, we talked about this a little bit ago. In Texas now, these large mining operations require approval from ERCOT directly, and that is part of what's holding them up here. Currently, it does not expect this process to impact future deployments of miners, the firm said in a statement. Quote, while the power provider was working through this process, construction of Compute North's facilities continued unimpaired, and thousands of additional miners are currently being installed and prepared for energization. There we go. End quote, said Marathon's chairman and CEO Fred Thiel in a statement. Quote, given the progress we have made at the start of this year, breaking the mold on deploying behind the meter and the unique advantages we maintain from our asset-light model, we are cautiously optimistic that we are still on pace to achieve 23.3 exahash a second early next year, end quote, he added. This is a slight change from the previous statement regarding its plan to meet its guidance. On April 4th, Marathon said it still believed it was, quote, on track to reach 23.3 exahash a second by early next year, end quote, citing delay due to a longer than expected permitting process for the required power for its operations. Marathon currently has 36,830 active miners producing about 3.9 exahash a second of mining power. In April, Marathon mined 299 Bitcoins, a near 31% dip from the previous month's production. The main reason for lower production were weather and maintenance issues, which caused the power generating station in Hardin, Montana to operate below normal levels. So it's not the one in Texas, but it is still, going down. I still think it's funny to prepare for Texas weather. Previously, Marathon said it was moving its mining machines away from Hardin site to a more sustainable power station. The company continues to hold on to its mined Bitcoin and currently has about 9,673 Bitcoins, which has a fair market value of about $365.5 million US. This is in contrast to its peer Riot blockchain that sold around 10 million worth of Bitcoins in April, after selling $9.4 million worth in March. Marathon will report its first quarter earnings on Wednesday post-market. Analysts will mainly focus on how the company is going to house more than 70,000 new mining rigs and source capital for growth. The stock was down over 1% in early trading on Wednesday, while Bitcoin rose about 3.5%. Moral of the story is that ERCOT's holding up, of course, some of the increase in hash rate for Marathon Digital. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.